Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about LCM. That is nothing but lowest common multiple. So fine, so let's get started. So fine, first we'll understand in two different ways. So we can find LCM in two different ways. The first method that you have already studied in class 5th and all. So in the 6th class you need to study in a different way. Fine, so let us start, or let us recall the LCM that you have studied earlier. Fine, so let us start with the earlier method that we used to use. Fine, let us find LCM of 3 and 6. So we are going to find the LCM of what? 3 and 6. For finding the LCM of 3 and 6, you need to see LCM means the lowest common multiple. So first you need to start from the multiple. Multiple means you have to write the 3 tables, right? Then you have to find the common between these two. That means 3 table you have to write 3, 6, 12, sorry 9 is there, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, then what else? 27 and 30. Till 30 you write, okay? 3 tens are. Now what you have to do for the 6 also, you have to write the multiples. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, then 42, 48, then 54 and 60. 6 tens are. Fine. So I have written here the multiples of 3 and 6. Then what you have to do? Multiple I have written here. Then common. So common between these two multiples. What are the common things? You can observe here. 6 is common, right? 6 is common. So we can say 6 is common. 12 is common. 18 is common. 24 is common. 30 is common, right? Right? And so on, we can make the common things, okay? Then you can further proceed from here also. Like 33, 36 also becomes common here. Fine, this much is enough. Now we have to find the lowest one, lowest common multiple. Multiple first I have done here, then common I have found out, then you have to find the lowest one, which is the lowest number here. So you can see here, which is the lowest one? 6 is the lowest one, right? So we can say that 6 is the LCM of these two numbers, 3 and 6. This is we have done in the previous class. So fine, so let us do with the second method that you are going to do in the 6th class. So fine, for 3 and 6 LCM you need to draw this like this thing. Fine, L shape. Here you put 3 and 6. Fine. Now take a number so that it gets divided by both or one each. Fine. So let us take 3 table, because in 3 this gets divided by, fine, 3 also comes in the 3 table and 6 also comes in the 3 table. So I have taken here 3. So 3 ones are 3, right? 3 ones are 3. Then what about 6? 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Then one more draw like this. Fine. Now when this 1 comes, that means this column is completed. Fine. Now see for this thing. This you have to make what? 1. So for making that 1, so 2 comes in which table, right? So you can directly take 2. 2 comes in what? 2 ones are. So you can directly see that it comes. So you can see here 1 it has come here. Now what you have to do? To find the LCM, you need to multiply this thing, the left thing. Fine. So left thing you have to multiply. That means 3 twos you have to do, so that you will get what? 6. Fine. I hope you understood this thing. So fine, well, let us take one more thing. Let us take one more example so that you can clearly understand. Let us take some 4 and 10 will take. Fine. 4, 10. So we'll start with what? We can start with 2 number also. 2, 3, 6, like that you can start. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 we'll start with 2, because this 4 and 10 comes in 2 table. So 2 twos are 4. 2 5s are 10, right? Then you can see 2 comes in 2 table, but 2 does not come in 2 table. 5 does not come. So what you have to do? Take the 2 table and make this as 1. Say 2 ones are 2. Now what about the 5? 2 does not comes in 5 does not comes in 2 table. So what you have to do? Write as it is 5. Fine. Now what you have to do, again use 5 so that you can make it as 1. 5 ones are 5. Leave this one as it is, right? Fine. So this is the procedure. Then now what you have to do, 4 and 10, what is the LCM of 4 and 10? You have to just multiply 2 into 2 into 5. This thing you have to multiply 2 into 5, right? From there you will get what? 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So you will get LCM as what? 20. So this is the procedure how to solve or how to find the LCM of two numbers given here. So you have to use here the second method from here. From the class 6 you have to use what? Second method. Earlier you have studied the first method. That is bit easier, you can understand, but here you have to learn these things, right?